So welcome back everyone, my name is Echo and I hope you're having a great day. In today's Minecraft video, we have a brand new beta for Minecraft Pocket Edition, the Bedrock version. This is the version 1.17.30.22, now available for Android, Windows 10 and Xbox. Here is the confirmation from Jay Wells, Mega Spud, Community Manager. Give him a follow. Happy Wednesday. We have a new Bedrock beta rolling out today. And the eagle-eyed among you will notice the hotbar, in brackets 1 pixel bug, has been fixed. Check out the full changelog for the Minecraft 1.17.30.22 beta here. It's down below in the description. Now, for those worried that Minecraft Java is running away with all the cool 1.18 caves and cliffs features, don't be alarmed. I've highlighted this in today's video, which says we need to sort out some technical things before we can ship these in a normal Java snapshot or Bedrock beta. Now, I did a lot of testing in the latest Minecraft Java snapshot. Let me tell you, it is very broken. It is very buggy. It is very early experimental. We're not missing anything on Minecraft Bedrock, I promise you. And they did tell us whatever Minecraft Java gets, the Bedrock version will get as well. And between me and you, the terrain looks a lot better on Bedrock compared to the latest Java snapshots. Okay, so what I do want to start off with in today's video, profile. And on the left-hand side, check this out, another UI change. So this is for your character. This is for the character editor creator. This is your owned skins or get more skins. This is for your emotes. And this is for your capes. So this was not mentioned in the changelog, but another part of the UI has made it to this week's beta. As always, if you do want the changelog, it is down below. And if you do enjoy these beta videos, please be sure to hit that like button. We actually have some pretty cool changes this week, which I think you're going to enjoy. Let's waste no time, starting off with the experimental features. Fixed incorrect position when dismounting at a negative world height. Let me show you the actual bug report. As explained, experimental dismounting a rideable entity below y equals 0 if there is no valid block nearby to dismount teleports you to y equals 0. Check this out. On a pig, dismounts the pig. Oh! So, yeah, that has been fixed this week. We've got to watch it one more time. Pig up in the air. So, yeah, that's been fixed. Features and bug fixes. Cartographers. Cartographers will now only give maps to undiscovered monuments. This is absolutely huge, by the way. So let me show you and let me explain. We have our cartographer here. He's obviously linked to the cartography table. So when you buy a map from him, doesn't matter what it is, even if it's an Ocean Explorer or a Woodland Mansion map. So let's say I bought this one, right? Now, if I was to buy another one, it kept giving you the same one, even if I had already been to this mansion. So I did a little bit of testing today. I went like 10,000 blocks to this mansion because basically, whenever we buy a new map from him, it should be a map to a different mansion. So you are no longer locked to just the same one. This is a huge change. So now you can go and find multiple mansions, multiple ocean monuments. So we have some trading here. So we've got another mansion map. We're going to buy this one. The game is going to crash, so I need to restart it here. Yeah, there is a couple of issues. Whenever you buy like anything now, it can cause a crash. I think we're okay this time. So this is the one I already showed you. I've already explored it. This is a new one. Now, when I go in this direction to this mansion map, wait. It's like in that direction. Whenever I go in that direction and I've explored this mansion map, and then we come back to this guy and buy another one, he technically should give me another map to a completely different woodland mansion. And this is going to be the exact same for your Ocean Explorer maps. Huge change. It was about time. Mind your own business and get away. Just to give you a little bit of perspective, the same Explorer maps are being sold from different cartographers after exploration. This has been around for a long time. Since 1.2.6.55, 1.2.10. It's been around for a very, very long time. This was created on the 7th of December 2017, and it's taken this long to be fixed. Enchanting. Enchanting tables, enchantment probability is now weighted. So this is the bug report. Enchantment table enchantments are not weighted. There's a full description about this, but it says steps to reproduce. Set up a full enchanting table in creative. Enchant a large amount of bows at level 30. A double chest should suffice. Tally up how many of each enchantment there is. The 5 enchantments occur are roughly the same rate. Exceptions, there should be roughly twice as much flame and punch as infinity, 5 times as much unbreaking as infinity, and 10 times as much power as infinity. So I think this is to do with specific enchantments not being as common as they are. I'm still learning this change, but I think they're making this a little bit closer to how Java is. Let's get into the Minecraft Java Parity features. Fixed barrier block hitbox missing when not holding a barrier block. So this one is to do with, you see this black outline right here. Obviously when you're holding it, you can see the actual item itself. But I believe the hitbox was basically missing according to the changelog. Fixed barrier blocks not blocking projectiles, so things like tridents being thrown at you when there's barrier blocks in front of you, or snowballs or arrows, etc. Fixed barrier blocks not blocking player interaction with blocks behind them. This is a good change. Shulker boxes now drop their contents when destroyed as an item. It's a pretty good parity change this. It is about time. Inside of here, we have a shulker with netherite items. Well, as you know, Minecraft, netherite, it doesn't burn. It's one of the benefits of this item, right? Well, if I was to pick block this with all the items, so we should have all the items inside of here, we do. Previously, whenever you threw this item inside of here, it would still destroy netherite. Now, it would destroy the shulker, but not the items that are inside, like netherite things. Good change. It was about time. Bows and tridents are now held more similarly to Java. So let's grab these. Now, I will go to the bug report, but what I have noticed is now when you're holding your bow, check it out on the right-hand side, it's shaking a little bit. Now, when you look at your bow in this perspective, you can see it's slightly moving in the wind, if you call it, or while you're holding it. So I think that could be one that changed. I've never really used a crossbow in Minecraft, so I don't know the huge change here. And I don't know the huge change with the trident. So let's go to the bug report. Trident in main hand, while in first person view, is positioned differently. Now this has been an issue since 1.13.0.1 beta. This was created on the 9th of April 2019, and you can definitely see the difference here. So on Java, you can see the 3 prongs a lot better compared to the Bedrock version. You can't really see it. I mean, I know it's not a huge change or a huge difference, but that's what it is. Grass and water block tint colors are no longer slightly randomized with noise. Abandoned villages are now far rarer, more closely matching the Java edition. So that is to do with villages. Whenever you have a village and it's covered in tons and tons of cobwebs, that's classed as a dead village. Now, Minecraft Bedrock, they're incredibly common, and when you see them, it's like more like, no, I found one of these. All the villagers are dead and I'm gonna have to heal them. Well, now they're gonna be a rare feature. Let's move on to the graphical changes. Fixed a bug that could cause the trident, shield, and crossbow to render incorrectly when an additional player is connected over the internet using a marketplace skin. Bug with shield, trident, and crossbow when changing character creator skin parts. So you've got these 2 images where everything is fine. In fact, these kind of 3 images. So we've got this one seems to be okay. This one, it's still a little bit broken there, but we get a bit further down where he starts to change it, and then everything just falls apart. Let's try this one. This one is the trident going through his neck, and he's on fire, and then, yeah, crossbow, broken. Fixed a bug which could cause the spyglass to appear as if it's being thrown when using a custom skin. This one's pretty funny. Throwing and or misplaced spyglass bug. Let me just make sure I turn the audio off here. Watch this. Watch this. It's the helicopter spyglass. He's still using it, but it just bugs out. Guy in the background? Yeah. So that's what's been fixed finally. Fixed emissive light propagation in ray tracing mode by increasing irradiance, cache sample size. That's linked to RTX. The hotbar is no longer too dark when anti-aliasing is increased. So again, here's the difference. It's quite dark there. It's quite light there. It just says here, hotbar is too dark on some platforms when anti-aliasing is increased. And it's been around for a little bit of time, but it's just been a bug like this. And then we go to the next one. I mean, I'm not seeing huge differences, but you can definitely see a difference in the hotbar. Quite light, quite dark. The crosshair no longer flickers during multiplayer sessions. Marketplace replaced loading bars with new loading spinner in the marketplace. User interface. Listen to this. Fix the hotbar being misaligned with XP bar by 1 pixel. Let me go to / game mode S survival. This is to do with the alignment of your hearts and the experience bar and the hotbar. Now, if you've never known about this, you would still have no idea to this day. But let me show you what has plagued the Bedrock version for a long time. Hotbar, 1 pixel off, reported in 1.16.220, which is going back to 2019. Let me show you. So you can see here, this alignment, these are not touching there. But you can see here, the XP bar is, I mean, this is off, right? This one needs to be over by 1. It should be aligned with this. And this, again, aligned with this. It's just been so annoying for such a long time. But you will notice it now. But if you never noticed it before, you're like, oh my days, it was actually like that. But yeah, it's now been correctly fixed after all of this time. The developers have gone back and fixed it. Crazy. 1 pixel. That's all it was. Using the touch interface, holding the output slot on the stonecutter or loom will now rapidly craft items. Fixed an incorrect pop-up when attempting to activate a pack with a missing dependency. Fixed translation issue for some keys containing uppercase letters. Technical updates. Read the changelog. There isn't too many technical update changes. We have changes to commands, changes to potions, and changes to the user interface. Again, the changelog, it's down below. So that concludes another week, another beta. Some pretty cool changes today, some parity features. They even fixed the game by 1 pixel. But my favorite thing in today's video has to do with the cartographer. I think that's a pretty good change. Again, a bunch of parity changes, and of course, the shulker one with netherite items and things like that. So, if you did enjoy today's video and you're still here, let me know in the comment section if you made it to the end. Apart from that, you are the MVP. Have a great day, stay beautiful, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.